I'm Wongster 1970, and today I'm going to be installing a replacement radiator cap on the 1983 Honda Shadow VT 750C. Let's get started. Right here is where the old cap is, and the problem you have with this cover is you can't get the cap out past it with that cover installed. So this is our replacement cap. It is 19045-MZ3-401. I got this from Partzilla. So first we got to get this off. And this is a pain. You got to get the cables out from the top, work this around fuel tank. Another way to do it would be to take these two bolts out of the gas tank and then lift that up, and then you could probably get into it easier. But make sure that this hose remains on there. It just popped off whenever I took this off. Of course the wind picks up. Here's our replacement cap. That's a tighter fit. Hopefully it doesn't blow off any more antifreeze. I'm going to put this hose back on. Maybe see if I can find a clamp for it. I don't think I can. I'm get my hemostats and push that back up on there. Okay, I'm using my hemostats. I'm going to push this hose back up on that fitting, and then hopefully get this back on there without knocking the hose back off. These two cables up over top there. There we go. And then there's a little piece up here. Needs to go back in behind there. There we go. This old cap was a little bent. I'm hoping that that'll fix my problems. I'm gonna have to start it up and see if I still get antifreeze blowing out the overflow. Engine temperature is hovering right around the center here. I don't see any antifreeze leaking down here, and after it was up to operating temperature before, it was blowing out through the overflow. So I'm hoping that I have the problem fixed. A little bit of oil on here. I think that's it. This does have a little bit of an oil leak that I need to address at some point in time. But as you saw, the operating temperature was staying right in the center, which is what it should be at right now. It's actually, it's going back. Let's see if it'll start. Right in the center. Coolant level was good. It's actually a little high in the reservoir. It's up to about here. But I'm hoping that fixed my problem. So that'll do it. Well, that'll do it for installing the replacement radiator cap on the 1983 Honda Shadow VT 750C. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.